Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is the 17th of October and we will be discussing events that occurred yesterday, 16 October, which is day number 48 of this series. So I'm late today getting this out, but I'll cover what I went over yesterday. I exercised for 45 minutes, including a 4-minute jog. Then I went to the gym and then just had the chair massage as normal. That day I pretty much worked on books the entire day. It was pretty intense. I spent a couple hours um, getting the prep center organized and then also listing items and then accounting for them on the prep center sheet. So that was pretty a lot of work. Then I did a lot of work with the Remote Wellness Academy. I did a lot of like going back and doing some other work and doing some other logs and configuring my Fitbit, which is another part of an exercise that I have to complete within the Remote Wellness Academy. I did an Instacart order yesterday for groceries that I needed, and then I paid some bills, and then I scanned some items, trying to get rid of a lot of paperwork and a lot of clutter. And then the rest of the time was basically for relax. So that was basically it. That was a Sunday, 16 October. Have any questions, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.